Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
So today we are going to discuss about Python strings, and you know that what are strings? What are strings? Strings are the collection of characters mentioned in triple quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. When you say mentioned in somewhere, is called as, like say I am on. Let's say I say X. I'll say X single quotes, X double quotes, X triple quotes. All these are strings. All these are strings. Even if I write 7 quotes, computer consider as string. So whenever you want to store some data, it always store in string. What kind of data you can store in string? What kind of data? Name. What else? Email. What else? Let's ask a question. If you want to store a mobile number in computer, which data type you will take? We have discussed the data type. There are data type int, char, float kind of things. There is a string. So which data type you will use for storing the mobile number? Int. Yes. Int. Last. Int. So it's string. You need to store the mobile number. It's string because whenever you want to implement manipulation with string, it's always easy. For example, I need to check whether phone number consists of 10 digit or not. Remember, we have written a program wherein we count the digit. So for example, you need to count how many digits are there in the phone number. You need to count a program. But if you have a string, then you have a proper method which will count in a single line. So it's always easy to manipulate strings. And whenever we talk about string, so whenever any data in which we don't want any arithmetic operations, we will use what we will use? Strings. What we will use? String. So whenever we have any data type on which we have to use no calculation, we will use string. So what are strings? Strings are the versatile, powerful data type in Python, and Python is a versatile language. So string work very well in Python rather than in other languages. If I talk about C, C++, Java, so there is no kind of methods available with the strings. So when we talk about strings, so it's a powerful data type that allow us to work with a text-based information. As I said, text-based, it means it is what? Mentioned in quotes. Mentioned in quotes. So built-in function, practical application. Let's talk about more on strings. So you can see here your screen will change. So your screen says string operation, concatenation, membership, and slicing. There are 4 concepts. When I say string concatenation, which operator is used for string concatenation? Concatenation, which operator is used? It's mentioned here. It means if you have written 7 plus 8, what will be the answer? 78. Because here in plus is working as concatenation operator, isn't it? It will combine the two strings. But if I write 7 plus 8, then what will happen? It will be added. Now it works as arithmetic operator. Is that clear? Now repetition. If you multiply, let's say you have x and you write x into 7, so x will be multiplied 7 times. So multiply will be used. Then you have membership in. You have an operator called in. If you want to check whether x in Christmas, so what it will give? It will give me true, because x consists in that particular string. And then you have a slicing. For slicing, what we do? We use square brackets. We have already studied the range function, in which we talked about range start end and step. Similarly, let's say you have a string, you say n equal to Naveen and you say s equal to 5. So what will happen? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th will be displayed. So slicing means extracting the portion of the string. So that is like a range function only. So we have other functions. We can also use loops. We can also use loops because you have a string and you need to, what you need to do? Traverse. Either you can use for loop or while loop. So how to traverse? When you need to traverse, so let's see the example of traversing. Let's say I am on the Jupyter notebook. I'll say insert new cell. So this is what about, it's a Jupyter notebook wherein what I am doing? I am executing each and every code. So you can see here, let's say I want to run, I'll say insert new cell. I am having a string s equal to Naveen and I say for I in S. So what will happen? Print I. So whenever you need to iterate, you have used a for loop. Whenever you say for I in S, what will happen? I will be iterating over each character of S. What is the value of S? S is Naveen. So when I say print I, so what will happen? It will print first index N, then it will index A, then it will index. So let's run this. This is called traversing. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's say same program I want to check how it works. So I go to Python IDL. I go to Python IDL. In ideally I can check how it works. We have discussed how it works. So I'll say next. I will increase the size. Whenever I say next, what is the global value of S? It's Naveen. And I say next, what will happen? It will go to the red line. So it means I am on which line? The red pointer. When I say click next, so what is the value of I? So I am going inside of the loop and the value of string taken is, then again I'll go and you can see on the screen it's executing and changing this value. If you see, this A is iterating over a string. Is this clear how the traverse happened with the string? Great. So I'll say next, and you can see on my screen, this is my output screen which is visible. Is that clear? So this is my output screen. So how Python tutor help you to understand the traversing or execution of a program in each step. Clear?
Yes.
Now let's talk about more methods of. So you all are here. As you have joined the classroom, so I am going to give you a stars for joining this classroom. You can see on your screen you get the stars. Now, so for loop and while loop. The next is these are the some methods which we use. What are methods? Methods are the built-in function kind of which already designed by the Python programming. Clear? So first function is length. What is the purpose of length function? What is the purpose of length? It will tell the length of the string. Then what is the purpose of capitalize? Convert the first character to uppercase, rest to the lowercase. Clear? Then title. Lower. Convert. Upper. Whatever you have. For example, how you will write? How will you write this? You need to write because it's a method. So when I say method, so you need to write, let's say s equal to class 11, 12. So if I write s dot upper, what will happen? It will convert into uppercase. It will convert into uppercase. Clear? Clear? Now, so upper lower kind of work like this. Now what are next? Count. It will count a specified character. It will count a specified character on your string. If you write s dot count e, it will count whatever the number of e's exist in the particular string. Then you have function called find to check whether character exists in or not, and it will return you the index. If not, what it will return? If it not exist, what is the value written here? -1. So let's say you have written s dot find and you have written certain character and it's not exist, it will return you -1. It will return you -1. Then ends with, starts with. If you want to check whether string ends with or starts with. Now let's have one question here. Everyone see your screen. I am generating one question. So you can answer on your screen. So whomsoever will give. It's there on your screen. You can answer. Answer will cover. Okay. So we'll do another question. So you can see here the question is created here. Which function checks all the characters are alphanumeric? Is elnum, is digit, is lower. So answer is what is the meaning of elnum? Elnum is alphabet and numeric. If I want to check special character, what I will do? If I want to check which operator? Not. I'll use if not is alpha numeric. Clear? So let's come back. So built-in function straight function. What does straight function do? It will remove the spaces by default, or you can straight with any other function. Next is built-in method join, partition, and split. You will get a question in boards, difference between join and partition. Is that clear? So partition function, what the partition function do? Splits a string tuple into 3 parts before the specified separator. The separator itself a part of the separator. Means it will separate into the tuple into 3 portions. And the separator which you are giving, that will exist in a partition function. Clear? Now split function, return the list. So what is the difference between partition and split? What is the difference between partition and split?
Split will return a list
and the character will be removed. In partition the character will exist and it will be a part of your tuple. Clear? Practical application, how you can use text processing. So these are the real life applications where you use the text. String method can be used for tasks like data cleaning, formatting and manipulation. Now everything is data. So whenever we download some data from the for artificial intelligence, so strings are required, and to clean the data, all these methods required. Then you have a web scraping. Strings are essential for extracting faster data from the. You have some website from where you can download some data and you want to do some calculations, some work. So that's called web scraping. Natural language processing. What is natural language processing? Whatever we use, Amazon, Alexa, even what we do on WhatsApp typing, text to speech. We use, so all these are the application of NLP, how computer calculate, how computer works, so that's called NLP. So versatility, optimization and practical application are the part of all these strings. Clear? Is string clear to everyone? Now, as it is clear to everyone, now we are checked through a quizzes. We are moved to the quizzes platform, wherein I start the quiz and you need to attempt. So everyone start the quizzes. So you all. So once I start, then your leaderboard will be available here. So It's a time-based game. It's a time-based game. It will take time. If it is not there, you can refresh. So Agam is here, RNGS is here. So I can see 16 participants. All of you can answer. It's a time-based game. So right now Pradyuman surprise only one. Still Pradyuman surprise on one. Tejas in two. One. Please answer the questions on your system only. Be fast to be first. Good. Harsh. Piyush is on number one now. Now Piyush is one. Pradyuman on two now. It's changing the leaderboard. Mohit is third, Shaurya and Mohit, Harsh, Malhotra second place. At the end you will get redemption question. You can answer once again one of the questions. Be fast. So Harsh Malhotra is on one now. Harsh Malhotra first, Pradyuman Sapra second. Be fast. Vansh completed. Great. Great. Which position? 8. Aryan, on which question? 18th. Great. Chaitanya, which question? Done. How many have you done? So let's other people have How was that quiz? How's learning? Have you understood the concept? Yes. मजा आया? So it's let's end this quiz. I hope everyone completed. So let's end the quiz, and I'll see the end. Once I say end, so I'll see the podium. I'll see the podium on it. Who's number 1? Number 3 is Tejas, Harsh Malhotra and Pradyuman. Clapping. Round of applause. Okay. So now what? Let's check the answers. I'll send this report to your parents. Fine. So they can check which question you have marked. So we can discuss the questions. Let's discuss the question, review questions. Which function can be used? So, which function can be used? 14 people have marked correct. Which function can be used to check if the string contains only white spaces? So the function name is. So 14 of you have marked correct. Then one pair marked wrong. Which function can be used for? Contains only characters. So which function can be used to split? It means most of you mark the answer correct, but it's being a time game. If you see all 3 questions you mark, only the previous question one was wrong, but maximum question you mark correctly, but it's a time game. The less seconds you have taken to answer, you will be on the top. So it means we'll check. So it means your understanding is with the strings. Oh, here there is a problem. Which function can be used to remove leading, white, and when I say leading, white spacing. So people write L, R, strip. So if you see these functions, L strip is left. I am talking about leading spaces. When I say leading, it means the left side spaces. R means right side. If I use strip function, what it will do? Both the sides, leading and trailing. Next, which function? Again, one wrong. So 2 wrong, 1. What is the index? Index always start from 0. Index always start from 0. The first. So we can see here all this by this saying. So this is what you have done. This is what you have done. How many wrongs? How many marks? So 15 questions. Shaurya mark 15 correct. Out. First 7 mark all 20 correct. Shaurya mark 15 correct. Next is Agam is 16 correct, but again less than Shaurya, because Shaurya has taken less time to answer 15 questions. So I'll exit this, and here we go. This is a complete report. Accuracy is 75%, completion rate 90, total student 15, questions were 20, and Is that clear, everyone? So I can download this report and see what is the status, so I can discuss with your parents, the PTM, about this case. Fine. I hope you understood the concept.
Yes, sir.
So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.